If you run a gym, spa, yoga studio, or wellness center, you've probably heard of Mindbody, one of the biggest names in booking and business management. But with its premium pricing, is it really worth it? Let's break it down. Mindbody Online is designed for fitness, beauty, and wellness businesses that need more than just scheduling. It's a full client management, marketing, and sales platform that promises to help you grow. But it's also one of the more expensive options in the market. In this review, we'll cover its features, pricing, pros, cons, and who it's best for. Mindbody is built as an all-in-one business platform for the wellness industry. Here's what you get. Online booking and scheduling. Clients can book classes, services, or events through your branded booking page, website widget, or the Mindbody consumer app. Point of sale. Sell services, memberships, packages, retail products, and gift cards with integrated payment processing. Staff and resource management. Manage employee schedules, commissions, payroll, and room equipment bookings. Client relationship management, CRM. Track client history, preferences, and engagement. Marketing tools. Automated email and SMS campaigns, promotions and retention programs. Mobile apps. Branded client app on higher tiers, and a business app for managing operations on the go. Reporting and analytics. Detailed insights into sales, attendance, and customer trends. Marketplace exposure. Access to the Mindbody consumer network to attract new clients searching for classes or services in your area. Pricing plans and what you get. Mindbody pricing is tiered based on features and support. Starter plan, $159 per month. Basic scheduling, POS, client management, and the Mindbody app listing. Accelerate plan, $279 per month. Adds automated marketing tools, staff management, and custom reporting. Ultimate plan, $499 per month. Includes branded mobile app, advanced analytics, and premium customer support. Ultimate Plus, $599 per month. Adds priority support, more customization, and enhanced marketing automation. All plans require using Mindbody payments for processing, with transaction fees that vary by region. There's no free plan, but they offer a free demo. What users love: industry-specific design, built for fitness, spa, and wellness businesses, not generic scheduling. Client marketplace, brings in new customers from the Mindbody network. Robust feature set, combines scheduling, payments, CRM, and marketing in one place. Scalable, works for solo studios up to multi-location businesses. Branded app option. Higher tier plans let you offer a dedicated app for your clients. Where it falls short: high cost, one of the priciest platforms in the scheduling space. Steeper learning curve. New users may need training to get the most out of it. Mandatory payment processing. No option to use an external provider. Extra fees for branded app. Custom apps are only available at higher, more expensive tiers. Occasional slow support. Some users report delays in getting assistance on lower tier plans. Mindbody is a powerful, industry-tailored solution for wellness businesses that want everything in one system and are willing to pay for it. If your business relies heavily on memberships, classes, and repeat bookings, and you want marketplace exposure, it's worth the investment. But if you're a smaller operation or just starting out, the monthly cost may outweigh the benefits, and a more affordable scheduler could be a better fit. Mindbody is a premium tool for premium operations, loaded with features, but you pay for every bit of it. If this review helped you, hit like, tap subscribe, and drop a comment telling me, is Mindbody worth the price for your business? See you in the next one.